Right guys, if you wanna use the promo code, so you just put it there, it's Oliver, and you gotta place it in the amount there. As you can see, you're gonna receive 50% bonus, which is $50 to your balance. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today we'll take a look at another trading session with binary options on platform Pocket Option. All the links are in the description to this video. Check them out. There's also a promo code for you guys to use and a invitation link to a Telegram group where you can learn trading. Let's jump into the video. We're gonna make the first option down. As I can see, a downtrend going on, and all our oscillators are showing the indications of the price going down. Also a channel, Keltner channel, we are below the middle in the lower section and continuing with the pattern going down with the actual rhythm. So I went with those indications. Let's see if this decision was correct, and we'll continue trading. Alright, so we have the first profit here, only a little one because we started with 25 bucks, and obviously today the daily goal is going to be 1k plus or near 1k. Let's see how far we can go with this, but yeah, let's go and look for the next one. What I'm doing is I'm using a compound percent technique. Let's go with an option down here while I see it, and while there is a momentum and there's a resistance level right there, we're hitting it and the price is correcting down, and I'm using that situation to make an option down. Obviously there is an uptrend going on globally, and it will continue growth after probably a minute or two, and then obviously we will be out already. So we're only trading with the time frame 1 minute to make it dynamic and actually show you that in a quick turnaround time that you can make some profit if you have a busy schedule, etc. And yeah, if you need to learn those techniques and understand what you're doing exactly and where to place your horizontal lines, your parallel channels, how to set up and configure your oscillators, indicators, their combination use, make sure to check out the description. There is an invitation link for such a community, a group resource that we have, where you can learn all that stuff. And let's clean up and not leave those so they don't confuse me later. Alright, so let's go and choose the next asset for us. This one here, for example, looks good to me. I'm gonna place 92, and let's just check quickly for the levels. Is there one? Go, 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 go. Yes, there is actually. There is a level right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and make an option down. I think with a strong downtrend that we have, the price will still go down a bit slightly. There is a stronger level below, so there is basically, it's always a zone of levels. It's not only one level. There is a zone of interest. It is referred to as, and it's basically various levels. It could be support levels, resistance levels, and they're in layers. And basically what I saw here was a level below that was a key level, a strong level that we're probably gonna go down to. So all the smaller levels might not stop this strong downtrend, and we'll see. That's the opinion, that's a decision, and so far so good. But I think this is where it reached it more or less, but we already had the profit from here, so we're gonna move on. Let's choose. I didn't put any drawings, did I? So let's just continue with the next asset, and we'll what else? We'll so I'm using the compound percent, guys, as I mentioned, and this consists in replacing the amount with the one you just got, the profits, right? This creates an exponential growth due to the percentage being paid. The payout is the percentage of your amount. There you go. Let's move on. And right here, what do we have here? We are reaching and breaking through this middle, maybe. Let's see. Okay, there is a resistance level. Quite a resistance level there. So depending on what's happening, so this is some of the indications for the price, that the price will be going down. Let's see if that's correct. Okay, there you go. So there you go. The movement started, I went in, right? Before that, I was paying attention to my oscillators, MACD in particular, and momentum. Momentum showed me the volumes were decreasing, and MACD went in and showed me also the volumes and the moving averages that it has configured in a way that also helps us out. And stochastic is obviously looking down. So this was also a decision. In this case, stochastic shows a bigger picture, but I needed a quicker kind of time frame, so the other oscillators help me out here. And yeah, this is going well so far. Let's see. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. There you go, it's finished, and we have the profit. As you can see, the percentage payout is growing quite well as we replace the amounts with a bigger one. We get the bigger profit. Bigger the amount, again the bigger profit. So we're gonna go ahead and place 28, delete those, and continue with the next asset. This here is growing. I'm gonna just go in there because I saw a nice pattern. There isn't exactly there is a level, but isn't exactly a key level that is gonna stop this rhythm, because this is what happens here is kind of a rhythm. As we see the movement crossing the middle, that means that the movement has started. So it will stop at some point. So for example, this right now is a level. This could stop there. But before we had this little gap, and I like to work with those because of the small time frame of 1 minute. If I had few minutes time, I would deal with it a little bit differently. And actually, if you do want to have those time frames, do check out the invitation link in the description to this video, because we give that information, how to deal with these time frames, how to trade with these time frames, even days, weeks, and more in the Telegram group. Check it out. It's free to join, eh? So let's go ahead and choose the next one. So we are near our daily objective. So what we're gonna do next is one more option and see if that's correct. Right, so I just went in and made this option, guys, as I saw the trend fading. So globally there's a downtrend, but then we have those mini sections of the peaks, the highs, right, the rises. So, and that rise was fading. Basically, you have longer candles first, then shorter, and then a few short ones kind of making a fade out. So it was fading out, and I went in the right time, as right now the price had decreased. Well, let's see, it's actually jumping up again. Ooh, this could be a bad thing. So this is how it happens sometimes, that you lose it. Well, we had the profit, luckily, but this was very close. And this, unfortunately, this is what happens sometimes. There's no going away. You just have to accept it and retake, just manage losses, manage risks. Let's just close this down. And guys, I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. All the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. This helps us. And see you next time. Goodbye.